God. Like in Nigeria, we have a lot that tries to work against us. I wasn't able to go for Bible studies because I had to join the queue to get fuel, gas for my car. And now I am about to create my pot of life. But because I am exhausted, I need to go freshen up and change into something. In today's installment of the Pot of Life series, I present to you a delightful combination featuring a hearty essence of potatoes. So, I have started to boil my potato. In here, I have my goat meat, garlic, pepper, salt, and black pepper. I minced all of that together. Oh my goodness, the flavors already is so hearty. Now you begin to roll your meatballs and put that aside. Just imagine that I am doing this with you. If this is a recipe you're trying, trust me, you are going to get it perfectly. Now, next you want to do is bring your potatoes straight from the pot into this oil in this pan on low heat, medium low heat. Then I used tatase, which is basically bell pepper, to my potato. I just toss it. I am not moving it around with a cutlery or cooking spoon or frying spoon because I want it in its wholeness. Am I making sense? This is ready. Now the same pan, just bring in your onions and make that to cook or fry for a bit. Add to it oil, then begin to transfer your meatballs. Oh my goodness, you should be in my kitchen right now. And as I did the potato, you want to toss, no stirring, no turning. We do not want to break all of this apart. Moreover, the point is to keep the flavors together. Now bring in that tatase or bell peppers and toss. That's the whole plan. I was making this tired from work, but hey, we got to have this delicious pot of life. So the vibrant hues of bell peppers, I basically just use only the red bell peppers. Now bring your potato. The rich flavors of my goat meat that has been minced and all the harmoniously garnished, all of it is harmoniously garnished with the aromatic touch of coriander at the end of the day. Now bring in water. You are going to cook this on low heat because we want a slurry. I am just adding cumin because the flavor has to be given. Here is my bell peppers. You can decide to chop your bell peppers any which way that suits you. Today I chose to do the slanted chops, and to my pot of life I added seasoning cube, brought in the bell peppers, covered that for a bit, and it was time to garnish with my aromatic coriander. Oh my goodness. Prepare to indulge in a symphony of flavors that will elevate your culinary experience. Oh my goodness, this pot of life is given. It was just so delicious. I hope it is something that you are loving at this point. I go into my kitchen, spring of deliciousness. Look at that. Ooh! And I am done. Oh my God. I cannot wait to try the pot of life. Pot of life, pot of life, pot of life. All right, let's try, let's try, let's try, let's try. Let's see. Say ah. Homemade recipes are usually the most delicious recipes. Hop on this Pot of Life series and you are not gonna regret it at all. As always, I have never made this Pot of Life before. Did you see how I made this? You should go check that video out. That is all I have for you today. I guess I will see you in my next video. Please like this video. Leave me a comment. I will love to know what you thought about this recipe. Are you gonna be trying this recipe? And have I said like? I have. Share the video. Share the video. Alrighty, humans. I'm out of here. Mwah.